I've lost power. So guys, for those that are new to the channel, I'm just going to give you a quick little rundown of my exhaust, and then I'll open the windows and we can get some noise going just while I'm putting some heat into the engine. So the downpipe that I'm currently running is a 3-inch, I think it's TX Auto downpipe, and that goes into a 2.5-inch Cobra catback. Now, as you know, Cobras are loud, and this is no exception. The 3-inch downpipe as well, it has made it a lot more loud, a lot louder. So obviously, once the new system goes on, the current system will be for sale. So I think it's time to get some noise going. So we're just on the slip road now, guys. We'll see what we can do down this little stretch. I'll see you back in the shed where we'll be taking this system off. Right guys, so the first thing we're going to have to do is get the V-band off. So I've got an E28, take that off, and then we can put the jack underneath to try and support the front part while we disconnect from the middle and that. So here goes nothing. Right, so that's loose, that's good. Let's get underneath the car now, take some more off. The front part of the downpipe is off. And take these two bolts out now, which I believe are 13 mils. Take the lambda sensor out, which is fairly new, as you guys know if you've seen the previous video. We'll get it off there, and then disconnect it from the sleeve there. Can take that center section out, and then we can move on down that way. Well guys, I'm not gonna lie, that was hard work. I managed to get it off. Obviously this piece came off one, then this came out over the rear beam. There is a joiner, as you can see there. I didn't have to take that off. I just took it off all the hangers and at the back, and that gave me enough room then to get in to get these bolts off, because that was a nightmare. A little bit crusty, but they came off with a bit of heat on the one side to free it up and get it off. So this is the Cobra sort of center section and back box, and then this one is the Cobra downpipe and cat. That is obviously the 3-inch TX Auto, I'm sure it was called that, downpipe. So obviously that is for sale on its own, and then obviously the full Cobra system will be for sale as well. Obviously if you want to buy it all together, you're more than welcome to. So it'll be on Facebook and eBay and stuff. So that now leads me on to this bad boy. So we're going to get this one fitted now, and hopefully it goes on easier than what the other one came off. Yeah, right, so I've got the downpipe on, and I've got the centre section on. I was just looking, where's it gone? I was just looking at the back box. So on there, it's sleeved into the centre section. The centre section is then sleeved into the downpipe. And this was the clamp that came off. I've just took it off that the Cobra exhaust. It isn't wide enough to obviously go over there. Managed to find one, got one that will fit perfect. So that'll go on there and clamp that together. That's not a problem. My next problem is that obviously I need another one. Now that one come off the exhaust, can't use that. That is the same size as that, so I can't use that, which leaves me with this. So I'm going to have to use this. It does fit over until I can get to, well, to get me to the shop basically, because obviously I need the car to get to the shop. So this is going to have to do, unfortunately. It does go over. It is a stretch, but it does go over, so that's what we're going to have to do. So I've got the V-band on, and I'm pretty sure it's in the right place. Set some light on the situation. There he is. Now I've been underneath the car and checked, and it seems like it's all okay. I'm going to put that one on the back box. I'm going to put that other one I've got, which I've just left over there. I'm going to put that one on the centre section and just pray that it doesn't blow too badly until I can get to the shop, probably Alfred's or something, to get a decent clamp. Okay guys, we are all back together. Everything in there's done up. The lambda sensor underneath's done up. The exhaust is on. The clamps are done up. I've got the GoPro on the back, so press play on that. Get a nice view from the back then. That's going. We'll jump in. First time, no camera tricks guys. This is literally the first time let's get in the car. The first time I'm going to hear it. It'll be the first time you guys can hear it, so here goes nothing. Almost certain. No, I think there is a leak. I think I can hear one. Sounds better though. Well, when it comes to exhaust, I think everyone's got different preferences, haven't they? For me, this sounds better, so let's jump out. Let's have a look. The main one I'm worried about is the V-band. Fudge! Touched it in the wrong place. I don't think that one is, you know. So guys, let's go for a first drive with the new exhaust. I've just pulled out of the garden and it is knocking on the rear beam, and I'll put a picture on the screen of the tip. It just needs rotating round, so I'll get round to that at some point. I'm absolutely knackered and I want to hear how good this sounds compared to the other one. So far, just on a little cruise, I can hear the turbo spooling up a lot more because there's not the exhaust isn't drowning it out, so that's always nice. It's making all sorts of like different noises. Maybe I didn't hear them before, maybe it's just better now, I don't know, but so far guys, I'm loving this. Been worth the blinking hours it's took me to wrestle the old one off and get this one on. Not gonna lie, did fight me. No little cut. Oh well. We'd be working on cars if we didn't get cuts, would it? Maybe that's just me. So I'm just going to enter the highway again, same road I did before guys. Same gear, no traffic. Wow, car's not happy about that. I've lost power. Oh dear. Got the spanner light come up on the dash, and yeah, car's not happy at all, so I'm gonna have to try and limp home get it back in the garage, try and see what's up. Catch you in a bit. Right guys, so I got back home, I was having a look over the car and I may have found the issue. Time will tell with that one, but basically I'll put a picture on the screen of what I found, and as you can see from that, the V-band is a bit too close to the actuator arm, so I've moved that down and out of the way, and hopefully that'll solve the issue. Like I say, time will tell. Like, share and subscribe guys, and you will then be able to see in the next video whether it sorted it or not. Thank you very much for watching guys, I do hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.